Jadę dziś na wycieczkę rowerową do Neuburga, aby zobaczyć renesansowy nowy zamek, zamek Neuburg, będący jednym z najważniejszych i największych renesansowych pałaców w Niemczech, mieszczący pierwszy kościół protestancki w kraju, muzeum zamkowe i bawarską galerię państwową. Planuję też obejrzeć ruiny starego zamku, od którego wzięło nazwę miasto, leżące strategicznie nad Dunajem, oraz tor wyścigowy Audi Driving Experience Center, a przewidywana trasa licząca około 60 km w obydwie strony zapowiada się fantastycznie. Zapraszam do oglądania.
The sun is shining so bright on her. And all her wishes are finally come true. And her heart is weeping. This happiness is killing. Oh no. And she keeps on crying. That's how I leave her alone. She'll never be alone. She'll be right here in my arms, so in love. She'll be right here in these arms, she can't let go. She'll be right here in my arms, so in love. She'll be right here in these arms, she can't let go. And she'll be right here in my arms, so in love. She'll be right here in these arms, she can't let go. She'll be right here in my arms, so in love. She'll be right here in these arms, she can't let go. She'll be right here in my arms, so in love. She'll be right here in these arms, she can't let go.
She clings to me like cellophane, fake plastic submarine, slowly driving me insane. But now that's over. So what if the sex was great, just a temporary escape, another thing I grew to hate? But now that's over. Why you always kick me when I'm high? Knock me down till we see eye up. I figure her out, I know she may not be this right, but she'll do right now. She'll do right now. I used to hang on every word, each lie was more absurd, kept me so insecure. But now that's over. She taught me how to trust and to believe. clings to me like cellophane. Fake plastic submarine. She's driving me insane, but now that's over. Why you always trick me when I'm high? Knock me down till we see eye to eye. Figured her out, I know she may not be missed right, but she'll do right now. She'll do right now. Right now. Oh, right now.
It's a new day, but it all feels old. It's a good life, that's what I'm told. But everything, it all just feels the same. At my high school, it felt more to me like a jail cell, a penitentiary. My time spent there, it only made me sing. And I don't ever wanna be like you. I don't wanna do the things you do. I'm never gonna hear the words you say. And I don't ever wanna be you. Don't wanna be just like you. Oh, what I'm saying is this is the anthem. Throw all your hands up, you. Don't wanna be you. Go to college or university, get a real job, that's what they said to me. But I could never live the way they run. I'm gonna get by and just do my time. I don't step while they all get in line.
Dojechaliśmy do mety. To już jest koniec tej rowerowej przygody. Dzięki za obejrzenie i zapraszam na następne filmiki. Warto subskrybować, żeby niczego nie przegapić. Do zobaczenia na trasie.